Right, so I thought I'd do this quick update because yeah, I haven't posted anything for a while, and I thought I'd check in and say hi. Still here. Why haven't I posted anything? Well, I did a week of oil changes and stuff like that, which slowed me down, which meant I couldn't do any work on this. I was busy at work because the rules of work kept on changing every 12 hours, essentially. And then I did some work on the C90, and oh yeah, it's been a crazy couple of weeks. Business is flatlined for me and all sorts of things. Right, so let's do this quickly. CRF, I think it's okay. I was going to take it for a good run, but it was also the Sunday just gone. I was going to take it for a nice big run. Nice good old, pop over to, not to stop, but just go up to Box Hill, ride around the, nice country roads around there, head back home. Judging by all the videos and stuff I saw of Newlands Corner, of Lumi's Motorcaf, the pictures, people crowding together, well, that was stupid, wasn't it, everyone? So yeah, I don't know if people realise or don't realise how dangerous this COVID thing is. Not just for, it's the danger for the old people or anyone under health concerns, but the other danger is the business side of things, and maybe no one has taken that into account. I'm gonna get, it's gonna cripple businesses now. My job's at risk, so everyone's job's at risk basically. The other day, Boris announced all business shutting. A lot of businesses have shut in the area, but my work, which I didn't think was a key worker or a necessity, has been deemed as we need to keep open because of X, Y, and Z. I won't get into it, but we are still open. If you know me personally, then you know where I work, or you know roughly what I do. So, it's a bit bizarre, but we are still open because we are supporting, well, I'll be as vague as possible, you can read between the lines. We are supporting a industry in this company, or a certain department in this country, which are under a lot of pressure right now, and we are giving them some support. And without us being open, then people possibly wouldn't be able to do their job as easily. So that's why we're open still. There's a lot of procedures in place, so we're keeping distance between them and us. There's all sorts of stuff like that. So just thought I'd let you know that's what's going on. Still haven't run the CRF, so I don't know. I've repaired my C90 again because the bodge job I did a few months ago, where the back end collapsed and the frame snapped a bit, where it's gone a bit rotten. I fixed again with some straps and zip ties, which is an interesting way of doing things. And then the final, and maybe I get to do some of this, but I'm not on lockdown. I can go to work. I can go for my one mandated outside time a day, which I've already used up because I had to go around someone's house. Well, I didn't go in their house, did it on the front door, There's your toilet roll. No joke, there's your toilet roll. Can I have the cat litter, please? We made a good trade there. Four wraps for some cat litter. Yeah. Anyway, let me know in the comments below if you're still working, if your classes are deemed work, if you're stuck at home on cabin fever. I'm personally grateful that I'm still going to work, because otherwise I'd get cabin fever in like 2 seconds flat. Unfortunately this has put a damper on everything for the rest of the year. I reckon trips will be cancelled, etc. So yeah, anyway, that's it. I might be able to post some other videos later on. Anyway, that's it now. Ciao. and with enough zip ties, you can do anything.